Hey guys, welcome back to Unreal Starter Kit. In this episode we're gonna make a rotating door. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we go to content browser. Okay, now we're gonna right click, blueprint class. We're gonna get an actor. This one I'm gonna say BP underscore rotating door. Okay, let's double click into this one. Okay, now I want to add in the mesh. Since I don't really have the kind of door I'm looking for, I'm just going to make one myself with the doors that I have. So firstly, I'm going to add in a cube. I'm going to change this size to maybe 0.2. And then unlock it. And then change this one to, say, maybe 2. Okay, now I want to add a static mesh. And say door. Okay, by the static mesh on the right hand side, I'm going to just go and select a door. SM door. Okay, so this cube, I'm just gonna drag it up a little bit. Okay, and this mesh, let's move it that way. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this door, duplicate it quickly, so we can have 4 parts. Okay, now this one, just change the way I want it, 180. Now I can move it up. Next one, $90. Move it this way, and then one more. Okay, I think that looks good. Let's put all of these, we're going to put them inside the cube. This is just a basic door. Okay, now let's go to the event graph. Okay, in the event graph, I'm going to use event tick. The one other thing that I will need for this is add in a box collision. Box collision. Lock this, maybe make it 8. Unlock it, make this one 2. Okay, that seems fine. Compile and save. Go back to event graph. Now we want the box collision. Scroll down. We want to get on component begin overlap, and click on the box again, on component end overlap. Now we want to make some variables. The first one is going to be rotation speed, and this one we'll change to a float. And another one, I'm just going to say inbox, and this one we will change it to a boolean. Okay, now on component overlap and on component end overlap, begin overlap and end overlap, we want to get our third person character for both of them. Third person character, other actor. Okay, now the inbox we want to set to true. Once we're in the box we set it to true, and when we're out the box we set it to false. Okay, now here by the event tick, there's 2 things we want to do. We want to get the speed, get speed rotation. We want to put the value in here. Since there's nothing, we just have to compile and save it. Now the rotation speed will be there. We can set it to 100. Now we can get a multiply node. Multiply. Delta seconds into the top. Rotation speed to the bottom. Okay, from the event tick, we want to get a rotator. Make rotate. Make rotator. This one we want to plug into the Z. Okay, now we want to drag in the cube. From the output, we want to set local rotation. Add local rotation, and then the return value will go into delta rotation. Okay, so if you want the door to rotate constantly, you can just do it this way. Let's compile and save. Let's see if it works. Let's drag the door into the level. Okay, play from here. Okay, there. Okay, now let's go to back into the event graph. Now, if we only want it to start rotating when we get close to it, when we go into the box collision, we'll drag it off and get a branch. Okay, and from the branch, the inbox, we can just drag it into the condition. Okay, compile and save. Okay, now let's play. Right, now you see the door's not moving. If we get close to it, it will start moving. If we move away from it, it will stop. So that's an easy way to make a rotating door that rotates when you get close to it and stops when you get away from it. But if you want it to rotate constantly, then we just skip the branch and we go straight into add local rotation from the event tick. Compile, save. Now if we play from here, it will rotate constantly. And then if we put the event tick into the branch, so when we go into the box, it will set the inbox to true and it will fire off true and let the door rotate. If it's on end overlap box, we set it to false, so when we're out the box, it will shoot out false, then nothing will happen. So that is your rotating door. This will be for a mall or whatever you want to do. And you can use it for many other things, not just the door. You can use it on a merry-go-round, on anything you want to turn. That's all for now. Okay, thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope it was helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.